The guy that normally has the camera doesn't have it.
Mohawk, you're screwing it all up. You're Mohawk, not camera Mohawk.
No, it's my camera.
Well, I was running late. Didn't have time for the Mohawk.
No, not yet. We got
People fucking with cameras. You're feeding?
Alright. Oh, it is. The other one didn't.
Get ready, guys.
Wait, is it single elimination?
Yep.
Single elimination.
I should be holding a clip in the one hand.
Great, you lost my SD card.
I kept them all. I was warming them up.
Okay, this one's feeding a lot better.
Quick, charge your hand. Do a charging hand.
Your breach didn't even go down. Yeah.
That one
My
doesn't.
other one does. Alright, looks like we're ready, Rob.
Oh crap, I didn't stretch.
Guys want to back up a little bit? Get in there.
He's old, let him be out there.
Handicap. Yep.
Yeah.
Alright, thumbs up. Let's do this, man, boy.
I could have sworn I heard it say go.
I'm pretty sure they all went up.
I got like 3 of them pinned. Watch red. I got red locked down. Who's shooting? Behind red. That hit my stock.
Noah's right up ahead of you. That first green cover.
I'm gonna be out in this mag pretty soon. Who's shooting?
Down. That's good.
Mag change. Oh, my mag fell out.
Let's go, Matt. Let's go. Get down.
Where are they?
Red building. Oh, I got Noah.
Can we move up? Watch out, man. 16. Cover him, cover him!
Moving! Red house!
Watch red, watch red!
Matt!
Hit!
I still don't know what kind of gun. I don't want an M4, I know that for sure. Yeah. And everything I want.
I thought they moved up a little more.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. That's the head.
I know.
Oh, I don't know. I know.